Hello everyone, welcome to Amuda Academy. So in this video, we are going to see writing of discount and loss on issue of debentures. So in the previous video, we have solved a question, and in this video also we are going to solve a question along with shares, right? So shares also are there, equity shares. So let us see how we can solve this. Let us read the question, let us understand it. On May 1st, 2019, Amrit Limited issued 10,008% debenture of rupees 100 each. So let me note it down. Face value will be 10,000 into 100. So 10,000 into 100. So 10 lakh rupees worth of debentures they are issuing. Right? Fine. Of a discount of 10% and a redeemable of, think the question is at a discount of 10% and a premium of a 10%. Something mismatches are there, so don't mind those things. So they are saying they are issuing at a discount of 10% and they are redeeming at a 10% premium. That's it. So let us see. We are facing two losses here. Obviously, we have solved that in the previous question also. Can you know how to solve it? So let us read the question. The issue was subscribed and the amount was fully received. The company had a balance of 70,000 is in security premium reserve on that date. Right. On January 1st, 2020, it issued 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each. So they have issued debentures also. After that, they have issued equity share also. For this also, we need to make the journal entries. At a premium of rupees 1 per share, they are issuing shares at a premium of 1 rupee. Right. Issue was also fully subscribed past the necessary journal entries. Here we have two concepts. One is debenture and another is shares. So let us see how we can solve the question. So first thing, we'll note it down. So this is debenture, right? Face value was 10 lakh rupees, that is 10,000 into 100, and they have issued at a 10% discount, right? Which means 10 lakh rupees minus 10%, which will come out as a 9 lakh rupees. And then redeemable at a premium of 10%. So which means 10 lakh rupees plus 10%. We need to pay extra 10%. So which means 11 lakh rupees. Here we are facing two losses. One is at the time of issue, 1 lakh rupees is the loss. And at the time of repayment also we need to pay extra 1 lakh rupees. So that is also a loss. So totally we are facing 2 lakh rupees loss, right? 2 lakh rupees is the loss we are facing. So that also will mention loss 2 lakh rupees. And then what we need, we have security premium reserve. Security premium reserve is 70,000. But the thing is here, at the time of issue of equity share, we are issuing at extra 1 rupees, that is premium, right? That premium also we need to include. So how we can calculate? Let us see. So debenture is done. We'll calculate shares. Shares. Right. So they are issuing 1 lakh equity share at 10 rupees each and also 1 rupee extra premium. That means 11 rupees they are issuing. So 1 lakh shares, let me face value 1 lakh shares into 10. That is 10 lakh rupees is the face value same. And they have issued at 10 lakh rupees into 11 rupees, that is 11 lakh rupees. Here 1 lakh is the premium, so this premium also will get included in this security premium reserve, correct? So 1 lakh rupees. So total security premium reserve is 1 lakh 70,000. right? So this much did you understand? Yes. Shall I move to the journal entries? So let us see. If you don't understand, if you have any doubts, please ask to comment. Right, let us solve with the journal entries, move forward. The first thing, we will receive money to the bank account for debentures. Correct. So bank account will get debited for how much? For how much? We have issued debentures at 9 lakh rupees. Right. So that amount only we will receive in the bank account. Fine. We'll create a temporary account, that is 8% debentures. So 8% debentures application and allotment account will get credited for 9 lakh rupees. Fine. We will reverse this. Correct. We need to transfer it to debenture account. So debenture application and allotment account will get debited for the same amount, 9 lakh rupees, and we need to transfer it to debenture account. But before that, we need to record security, sorry, premium on redemption of debenture and also discount on issue of debentures. So we are facing total loss of 2 lakh rupees. That also we need to show. Correct. So let us see. Loss on issue of debentures account will get debited for 2 lakh rupees. That is the loss we are facing. Correct. Now we need to transfer it to 8% debenture account. How much? Whatever the face value is there. That is 10 lakh rupees. That only we need to transfer. 10 lakh rupees. Fine. Two, we need to show the premium. Which premium? Premium on redemption. So premium on redemption of debentures. We have already discussed these things. So you have finished by this time. So what is the premium? That is 1 lakh rupees. Right. So debit, credit matches 11 lakhs, 11 lakh. So now we have finished this one and we need to move on shares also. So let us solve the shares question. The same thing, nothing changes, just name change. That's it. Whatever entry we have done for the debentures. Bank account, first thing, bank account will get debited for how much? Whatever the money we are receiving for 11 lakhs, correct? So 11 lakh rupees we will receive in the bank account. Two, share application, share application and allotment account will get credited for 11 lakhs. Just name change, that's it. Share application and allotment account will get debited for 11 lakh rupees and we need to transfer it to share capital account. So how much we need to transfer? Whatever the face value is there, that is 10 lakh rupees, right? So 10 lakh rupees we need to transfer it to share capital account. To security premium 1 lakh rupees. That's it. That's it for shares. Correct. Now we have to show the journal entries for write off. Correct. So that is the main part of this question. So from where we will cover the loss. Obviously, first thing we will cover from security premium account. If not sufficient, we will charge it to P&L account. Right. So loss on issue of debentures, we have debited it earlier. If we are transferring, we are covering it with security premium means we will reverse it to loss on issue of debentures. Right. So loss on issue of debentures, how much? 2 lakh rupees was the loss. Now we need to debit security premium reserve account will get debited. So what is the amount we have in security premium account? So we have calculated it earlier. So security premium reserve account, we have 1,70,000. That is, in the question, they have said 70,000 is reserve, and also we have security premium on shares also, correct? So that also including 1,70,000 we have in the security premium account. So till 1,70,000 we will cover it from security premium account, and also remaining 30,000 we will charge to statement of profit and loss account, right? So that's it. We have finished the question. Kindly note it down. Yes, kindly note it down or else take a screenshot. So that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.